This is a simple yet powerful balancing posture. Just like standing bow, balancing stick is a neurological interplay with your visual system, your vestibular system, and proprioceptive signals. You are hinging from the hips to bring a perfectly straight, open, relaxed body down while standing on one leg. Simple. Balancing stick. First off, position 1. Relax and pull your body open. Keep the bum relaxed. From this point on, you must keep your body relaxed and open as we move through this posture. Then, on the exhale, palms out, arms up. Interlace your fingers. Release the index fingers across the thumb. Steeple grip. On an exhale, relax the bum and pull your chest up away from the hip. And relax and pull your whole structure open. Feel the hip sockets relaxed and open. Feel the shoulders relaxed and open. Next, on an exhale, bring the right foot forward, get the left foot back off the floor, and then spend one breath cycle relaxing and pulling your body open to this structure. Next, take a deep inhale, and then on one exhale, hip hinge. Bring the body down to a letter T shape. And then pause for the inhale, holding that structure. On an exhale, release all tension and pull your body open. Pull the chest away from the hip. Relax and open the hips. Relax and open the shoulders. And then pause, holding, maintaining that expansion. And then exhale, go again. Pull the body open. Relax and pull open. And then when you're ready to return, on an exhale, one exhale, come back up. In chapter 6 of my book, Yoga the Sohot Way, I outline the key ingredients of the Sohot method. Point 15 states that apart from always being relaxed and open without tension, there are no rules. Rules assume we are all biomechanically built the same. Rules bind you down, stopping the body from developing a style that is perfect for its particular unique structure. I go on to point out that there is no such thing as a modification. A modification is simply when someone is unable to conform to a rule. So, for example, in balancing stick, you'll see my arms were not locked straight. Typically, we are told the arms must be perfectly straight, but due to my body type, in order to get my arms straight, I have to use a lot of upper back and shoulder muscles, which in turn will bring tension to my shoulders and upper spine, which in turn locks away my inner core spine strength, which I need in order to do this posture well. I cannot afford to lock away my inner stabilisation strength under a sea of tension by forcing my arms straight. Maybe you have a body type where the arms can easily be straight without such tension. That's great. The bottom line, no matter the rule, you must never apply it in such a way that overrides the biggest rule of them all, which is the elimination of tension, ensuring the body is always relaxed and open. If, as you come down, you feel tension in the hamstrings or hips, do not come down anymore. Hold and master that position. Relax and open to that shape. It doesn't matter if you look like a perfect T shape. How far you come down is irrelevant. All your efforts is on ensuring the body is not creating tension anywhere in the body. The standard mindset to this posture is often to charge forward like some crazy gorilla, tensing up all the muscles in the body, and teachers incorrectly saying lines like, a tight body is a light body. Wrong. A tight body is an inefficient body. If you tell the body to contract all the muscles, you are basically expecting the body to somehow do this posture in handcuffs and a straitjacket. One vital important point is that the neck must be perfectly relaxed, straight. So you must never look forward. The reptilian brain is always trying to second guess your intention, ready to do whatever you ask it to do. When looking forward, the reptilian brain thinks you wish to lift the head up and will start to engage the upper back muscles, which then will stop the inner spine muscles from maintaining a relaxed neutral spine. Plus, you get so tired, your body starts to fatigue, and when that happens, you're out the game. Simply keep looking in line with your head. So I'm just looking straight down. In my online classes, if I can see you have mastered the act of being relaxed and open in this posture, I often suggest you should add some playful movements into this posture, such as bending the standing knee or moving the arms while keeping the integrity of the posture. That's when you supercharge your development, supercharge the neurological interplay with your visual system, the vestibular system, and proprioceptive signals. It takes it onto a whole new level. However, for now, master the basics. It doesn't take long, and then you will astound yourself.